Hello, Dragonfly enthusiasts, and welcome to a brand new episode of Essentials. I'm Jana, and my mission is to help you become a true power user of Dragonfly. Today, I'll be showing you some essential keyboard shortcuts that will make sure that your work flows faster, smoother, and more enjoyable. But before we dive in, let's take a quick look at where you can find all the shortcuts that are configured by default, and even customize your own. To do that, simply go to Preferences, then select Configurable Actions. Here, you'll find a full list of existing shortcuts. You can also assign new ones that match your workflow. I'll cover how to create your own shortcuts in an upcoming video, so stay tuned for that. Alright, let's get started with some of the shortcuts you'll be using most often. When we start by navigating between states. If you want to scroll through your dataset quickly, just press C on your keyboard to activate Cine mode. This allows you to browse through your slices seamlessly. No need to click through them one by one. Now, if you want to switch from Cine mode to Pan mode, simply press X on your keyboard. Want to go back to track mode? Hit Escape on your keyboard. Pro tip. Sometimes you don't want all crosshairs to move at once. So you just want one crosshair in one view, and then the others you want to keep them fixed. So hold Control while moving your crosshair. This keeps the others stable, giving you more control. Now, when it comes to zooming and synchronizing views, if you need to zoom in on your data, press Z to enter zoom mode. And if you want to synchronize your zoom across all three views, hold left control, left click your mouse, and slide it. And you can see that all of the zoom is synchronized on the three views. So now, this is a real-time saver. Let's say you want to switch to the window leveling mode. You can just simply tap on the spacebar and then control it with your mouse. Now on to syncing 2D and 3D views. Let's say you're working in the 3D view and want to center your 2D views on a specific area. Do this. Select the 3D view, then hold left shift and left control. Wherever you place your cursor in 3D, your 2D views will follow. It's a quick and intuitive way to stay aligned between dimensions. Now, if I want to fine-tune my LUT, which is my lookup table, when I adjust my window leveling, I can add a control point to my lookup table. Just place your cursor where you want it, then hold left control and left click of the mouse. This will add a control point that you can also change the color of. If you added one by mistake, well, no worries. Hold left shift and left click again to remove it. You have analyzed your data, you have your analysis along with your visuals. The next step is Movie Maker shortcuts. Once you're happy with your segmentation and visuals, it's time to create something stunning. Open the Movie Maker instantly by pressing M on the keyboard. If you want to hide it again, press M again. And if you're tired of simply going with your mouse to add keyframes, simply press K. It's that easy when it comes to your keyboard. You have finalized your work, you're satisfied with your work. The next step is to create a new session. Press left control and N on the keyboard. That's it for today's episode. I hope these shortcuts help speed up your daily workflow and make your Dragonfly experience even smoother. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.